Sakuchi Nonstick Stock Pot Induction Cooking Soup Pot with lid 4.5 QD, black. Professional die casting aluminum material. The stock pot with lid made of high-quality cast aluminum with outstanding corrosion resistance. Thicken aluminum body and induction-compatible bottom provides a stable heat distribution and rapidly heating up. Environmentally non-stick coating and convenient to clean. Sakuchi Induction Soup Pot is coating with a high-quality non-stick granite coating, 100% free of PFOA. It is healthier, requires less oil, and is easier to clean without leaving food residue. Suitable stoves. Sakuchi cooking pot with lid has perfect magnetized base which allows for rapid heat transfer and prevent hotspots. It is perfectly suitable for gas, ceramic, electric, halogen or induction stoves. Oven and dishwasher are not applicable. HexClad E78544664HA1 hard anodized non-stick dishware safe PFOA-free soup stock pot cookware, 4 quart, black. Heavy gauge, hard anodized cookware offers even heating and has 3 layers of safe, PFOA-free non-stick for long-lasting easy release. Compatible with all cooktops, including induction, thanks to its durable, anti-warp stainless steel base, and oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Securely riveted stainless steel handles ensure a safe grip. Durable, clear tempered glass lids help lock in moisture. Dishwasher safe but hand washing recommended to preserve the non-stick.